Tired of complicated ways to send money? Let's dive right in first. Open your Taptap Send app on your phone. Make sure you've already created an account and have your payment method linked. This could be your bank account or a credit card. Now, specify who you want to send the money to. Select the country where your recipient is located and specify the amount you wish to send. You'll see the exchange rate and any fees clearly displayed before you proceed. Next, choose how you want your recipient to get the money. You hopefully have several receiver options, but select PayPal as your preferred method. You'll then be prompted to enter your recipient's PayPal email address. This is crucial, so double-check it for accuracy. Confirm this information once more. Review the transfer details to confirm the amount and fees, and complete the transfer. You should receive confirmation from Taptap Send that your money has sent or it's successfully processed. Generally, your recipient will get their money within minutes. The recipient will see the money in their PayPal account, and they can then use it for online purchases, withdraw it to their bank account, or transfer it to another service, and that's it. You've successfully transferred money using Taptap Send and PayPal. Remember to keep your transaction details safe and enjoy the ease and security of this convenient money transfer option.